Hello everyone, you are in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video I'm going to show you and tell what parameters do you need to set up an EZCAD software to cut 0.5 millimeter of stainless steel. Okay, this is our software and we make 4 passes. We have 50 millimeters per second speed, 100% power and 50 kilohertz frequency. Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video I'm going to show you what settings you need to set up to cut a 0.5 millimeter stainless steel with 30 watt fiber laser. We're using a max laser, but you can also use Raikus, it doesn't really matter, 30 watt impulse laser. So let me show you parameters. So we have interesting types of parameters. We need to cut 4 times at speed 50 millimeters per second, 100% power. And then we need to clean the material, the surface, with a speed of 5,000 millimeters per second and only 10% power. And those combination of cutting and cleaning we need to repeat about 80 times. So let's get started. Okay, let's start. We have our focusing system. You see red dots, and you see it flashes flying away. So we cut 4 repeats, and then the laser is cleaning the surface because we need to remove the products of burns, that's oxidation and oxides and all kind of chemicals. And like I said, it takes about 40 repeats. I'm not saying that it's optimal, but it's very important to clean after each cut. Otherwise, the products of burn, oxides and all kind of chemicals will prevent you from moving down. So it's very, very important to do that way. Okay, let me zoom in. And don't forget to wear goggles all the time you operate the laser, even it's non-visible radiation. It's only 1 micron wavelength. It's 1064 nanometers. It still can be dangerous, and the laser is class 4. And don't leave it unattended, and don't allow your children and kids to play with it. It's still very, very dangerous. We probably don't need to show you everything. So we'll show you the video again once it's done 80 loops. And yeah, we'll show you how clean we got the edge, and we'll also show you the measurement. We'll use a caliper to check the thickness of the stainless steel. Pretty much the same parameters you would use just for regular steel and for titanium. And it's also very important to be in focus, otherwise the laser will not cut perfectly. Okay, we have some good news. Last time we did it with 80 loops. Now we can see through the plate, so we see here that it's actually cut through. So we'll stop it on 50 loops and we can remove, but the thing is that it's very, very hot. We need to wait for a few minutes and then we can remove that. Okay, this one, and like I said, we need to wait a little bit. So this is from the other side, so you see that's completely, yeah, it's still hot. We need to wait for a minute or so. Okay, let's press. So just we need to. That's it. Let's focus. Okay, and we need to check with the caliper the thickness. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's 0.5 millimeters. So yeah, you can actually cut with Raikus, or we used here max fiber laser to cut through 0.5 millimeter stainless steel. Thanks for watching, and visit our website endurancelasers.com and our online store endurance-lasers.com to learn more about endurance lasers and our DIY galvo frame. Bye bye.